Good morning. Coffee is life. Coffee is life. Yesterday, I posted a few photos of my hands showing that they were super dry ever since the lockdown. I will not allow anything to enter our house without getting disinfected. So we take turns doing that because it's a bit taxing. So what we use is Lysol with water. It's this. And I didn't realize that it's super strong. So it does say to use just like 2 caps and 2 liters of water. I did follow the instructions by using 2 caps. But the thing is, we use this spray bottle, and this doesn't hold 2 liters of water. So 2 caps in this small spray bottle is a lot. And that's why my hands got really dry. I asked you guys for suggestions on how to make my hands silky smooth again, and some of you gave really good advice. Most of you said I should use aloe vera, which is great because I have an aloe vera plant, but I didn't have time to create an aloe vera gel. So I do have a lot of aloe vera lotion in the fridge because I used to go to the beach a lot before lockdown. So I tried that, Vaseline Intensive Care Aloe Smooth, and my hands look so much better. While that worked out great, I did get curious about aloe vera and how it could help moisturize your skin, so I decided to dig deeper into this. First, I got some aloe vera from my garden. When you check your aloe vera, you're going to notice some yellowish goo coming out of it. I don't know what it's called, but that's toxic. That's latex, so make sure you don't get that on your skin. To get rid of the latex in your aloe vera, cut them into 1 to 2 inch strips and then toss them in water. Leave your aloe vera strips in water for around 15 to 30 minutes to get all the latex out of there. After a while, you're going to see that your water has turned yellowish, and that's all the latex from the aloe. Once you've removed your aloe vera from water, you're going to remove the pointy edges from your aloe vera. People usually use a knife, but I find that it's easier when you use scissors, so that's what I'm going to do here. So now we're scraping off the leaf. When you do that, you're going to see inside, that's the gel. There you go. You might have a difficult time removing the other side of the leaf, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a teaspoon to just scrape the gel off of the aloe vera. Once you've gotten all the aloe vera gel from your leaves, you can put them in some water. Now you see, I don't really have a lot here. I didn't want to make a lot because they only last for a week inside the fridge. They could last up to 2 months, I think, but you're gonna have to put a preservative in there like vitamin C or vitamin E, which I don't have. So now let's pop this into our blender. And then you add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin coconut oil. And then we're gonna put it. Let's say you do have vitamin C or vitamin E, then you can make a lot and put it in a bottle like this one. This is a foam pump bottle that I bought online. But since I'm only making a little, I'm going to reuse a spray bottle that I have here. So I'm going to use a small funnel so that I don't waste any of my aloe vera when I pour it into the bottle. It's just that small amount of aloe vera. I was able to fill a 50 ml bottle. Our aloe vera concoction is ready. So now you just spray it onto your hands. Like that, and you can use it, or actually it's really good as well to use on your hair to make it silky smooth. All right, you can use it on your hair, you can use it on your hands, you can even use it on your face. Oh my god, if you put it in the fridge and use it on your face, that's going to be super refreshing. I hope you guys enjoyed our little tutorial, and I'm going to add a link here with some helpful information that I found on the internet about aloe vera, and hopefully that's going to make you want to make your own aloe vera concoction. Have a good day, everyone!